All right, this is Mikey's coming up. We're looking pretty good. Give me 2. Give me 1, nice and smooth. All right, we're looking good. Don't keep paddling. Whoa, that's a little close. I'm fixing. Give me 1 forward. Get down, get down. Give me 2 now, team. We got door number 2. It's my preferred route, even in kayak. Give me 2. I have run the other options. Hey, get ready, team. Give me 2. Don't tumble out. You're going to get a bounce here. Give me 2. Give me 2 more, team. Oh, you got paddle when I call it. Give me 2. Give me 2. Don't be scared of them waves. Those waves are like your big brother or your older cousin trying to psych you out, sucker punch you. Don't fall for it. Give me 2. We definitely don't want to do that down near Godzilla or Humongous. That's our rafts right there. Give me 2 more, team.
1, 2.
Ready, set, give me 2. Right, you didn't scare your guy, thank you. That was welcome ledge. Give me 1. Next up is gonna be, oh yeah, smiley face. It's the only graffiti they didn't remove for the Olympics, but it's under the water line, you can't see it. Give me 2, team.
1, 2.
Give me 2 more, team.
1, 2.
It's this smiley face. Is that fun? Give me 2. I see smiles. Give me 2, team. Don't get giggle attacked. Listen up. Just close your eyes if you think you're going to lose contact. Don't stop paddling. Give me 2 because you will lose it if you swim. Give me 2 more, team.
1, 2.
It's called slam dunk. Yeah, I remember now. Backwards, 1 on the left. Just the left, just the left, just the left. Give me 1 more. Give me 4, 2, team. Listen up. It's really important you foul with me here. Give me 2, team.
1, 2.
Give me 2 more.
1, 2.
Remember, I'm Jesus' friend. I'm trying to help you. Give me 2, team.
1, 2.
Give me 1. Give me 2. Stop. Paddle together. Give me 2. Give me 2 more. This is a ramp. Give me 2, team. Uh-oh, kayakers are rooting you on. Give me 2, team. Give me 2 more, team. Give me 2 more. Give me 2. Give me 2. Go. Stop. Oh, backwards. Keep coming back. 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 Good job, team.
Very bad. I like it. What do you want to do?
We're good. We made it.
Oh my God. I almost lost my contact. I can feel it slipping.
Hey, brace yourself. I may or may not clip a rock. Be ready to paddle. Left side, give me 2. Give me 1. That was kayak line. Give me 2. Okay, you get a little bump here, no big deal. scary, wasn't it? But it wasn't. All right, you can get down or you can stay up or whatever, but don't fall out here if you're ready to paddle after I run it. This is gonna be a really big hit, Fred. Backwards two, team, backwards two, backwards two, backwards two, backwards two. This is your safety, give me two back. Okay, you're cool.
Oh my God.
You sit on the floor and raft if you want, you'll be safe. I'll kill you off, you're okay.
Sorry,
This is where we make sure we drop your core temperature down enough to where you can eat lunch. I know y'all sworn from all that paddling. Are you okay? You're not getting goosebumps yet, are you?
This is fun.
Oh my God. I rinse in the cold water every day after the shower. Nice. Awesome. Yeah.
And we got all the kids out there swimming and having a good time. This is nice.
I'm sticking my butt in here.
Post lunch, it's gonna be fun.
Oh yeah, I can see all the folks. What is this car called? The Hellhole?
Make sure you're smiling, you're getting your photo taken.
What? Takes too long.
Give me two, Steve. This is a big ledge next to Mikey's, so don't tumble out, stay loose. Don't fall out, right side be leery. Left side don't let down your guard either. Feel like a little kick? That's why I warned the right side.
That was fun.
Give me two, team.
One,
Give me two again.
two.
Get down, get down. Pals up, pals up. Get your smiles on, or your silly faces. This is a photo op. You said you weren't wet. I was aiming for that rooster tail with your head. You still didn't get as wet as I intended, but give me two, team.
One, two.
I got soaked down. My ear's probably full of water too. Give me three, dig 'em. Give me one more. Good job, team.
I survived that. With minimal damage. Come back.
Felt like my arms and legs aren't moving right now. Like my legs, they barely even move in here.
Don't fall out, especially the left side.
Said don't fall out. That was trivia.
Give me two, team. Dig 'em. One more. And relax, I think I'm gonna make it. Maybe. Try to hit my favorite rock. I love that rock, it makes this easier. Give me 2 forward. Big drop, just surprise, but it's gonna repile surprise. You don't want it. So lean in, don't fall out in case I miss. Oh, that was the money line.
Oh, that was cool.
Big hit, don't fall out. Guy ejector, don't fall out, friend. Give me 2, go, go. Relax, we made it.
And we're spinning out. And we were spinning out.
Give me 2, team. Give me 2 more. Big bump, don't fall out. Oh, look at all the spectators. They must be looking for a show. All right, give me 3, team. We want some momentum to improve our odds. We're gonna get a big hit. Yeah, man.
I moved over just somehow. Oh, that hit me.
And let's make sure you don't get heat exhaustion in the parking lot.
So y'all don't get me